Being a promoter has gotten even easier with Local Connect. Meet Bobby. Bob is the owner of a small promotion company called ReachOut.com, located in New York City. Bob's company usually promotes parties, weddings, bars, clubs, charity events, political campaigns, and coming soon, advertisement for new business. Having a business in Manhattan kept Bob constantly busy with work. He was overwhelmed with paperwork and organizing files, but not enough time to focus on making his business grow to open new accounts. It seems as if Bob was always stuck doing business one way. He wanted to change, so Bob did what any smart business person would do. He called his financial advisor, Tommy, for help. Tom told Bob his friends at Wall Street are using a new text marketing system to bring new clientele. Since they have been using it, their response rate is up 97%. Bob smiled and said, "What's the name of this system, and what can it do for me?" Tommy said, "It's called Local Connect, and it's the easiest way to connect with your customers no matter what you do." Local Connect is a mobile marketing system. You can use it for bulk SMS, mobile e-cards, picture messaging, email marketing, instant message marketing, two-way text messaging, mobile voting, Facebook widgets, appointment and reservation reminder service, mobile coupons, and more. Bob said, "Wow, Tommy, this Local Connect system seems more than I can handle." "Nonsense," said Tommy. "My son Jason, who's 17, uses it for high school to inform people about his basketball game schedules. And one more thing, Bob. This system automatically organizes your mobile campaigns, so there's no more paperwork." Bob said, "Say no more, Tom. I'm out of here. I have to go sign up. Thanks." Why sweat when you have Local Connect? Sign up today, the instant way to reach customers.